Guys, it's Brownie from Manhattan, New York. So I'm deep conditioning right now. Um, I have organic olive oil and mayonnaise in my hair, and I'm a deep condition for an hour and 45 minutes. And y'all, my hair feels so good. As y'all know, I just perm my hair, so you know all that new growth is coming in after a fresh perm, and the olive oil and mayonnaise just making my hair feel really silky. So it feels so nice. I know when I'm blow drying, it's gonna feel even silkier than it did from the. You know how it feels real silky after you perm it, but I know the olive oil and the mayonnaise. It's like I could feel it. It's like really silky. I've actually been doing this deep condition treatment since I've been a kid, when my hair was natural. Yeah, I have really curly poof hair. So my joint be like poof. So sometimes I don't even bother. I just be like, I'm gonna try this. As long as I dry every strand of this hair, I think that's the hardest thing. When you come out the shower and your hair is wet, cause you'll dry with the towel and it'll still be dripping wet. You be like, but I just dried my hair. Oh my gosh. So yeah, that's about the hardest thing. Washing is pretty easy because you be in the tub and you just throw the shampoo and conditioner and do that real fast. That takes about a minute and a half. And then the deep conditioning leave my hair silky. I actually went 14 days, y'all. I feel so proud of myself. I went 14 days. Y'all know I don't have acne, so I'm always like messing with my skin. I don't have acne or anything like that, and I've been really blessed that I never had acne. I never had childhood acne either. I just never had acne. So I've been really blessed with that. Yeah. And yeah, I woke up this morning, last night, y'all, when my food stamps and my cash assistance hit my card last night at 12 o'clock. At like 12:30, I left the house and I went to go eat because I was hungry, but I was broke because I was waiting for my assistance. So I went and had like this huge salad. Y'all, the bowl of salad was so big and delicious. And then I had like a huge bowl of Caesar salad, and then I had like a big thing of macaroni and cheese, y'all. And it was like, I still feel full now. It was so delicious, and I was able to sleep better throughout the night because I ate and my stomach was real full. So yeah. So right now I'm deep conditioning. I'm gonna leave this deep conditioner on for an hour and 45 minutes. If you guys want to purchase this deep conditioner at the store, you can purchase the mayonnaise. It says mayonnaise deep conditioner, and they usually come in the yellow packets. But the thing is that what I usually use is the Dr. Miracle's tingling deep conditioner for from natural to processed hair, and it tingles when I put it in my hair, but I immediately see like my hair always is growing, but I feel like it gives me like that extra nourishment that I need in between, in between perms, in between so I'm supposed to like deep condition every week cuz my hair grows so fast. That's actually like my plan from the hairstylist ever since I've been a little girl, to deep condition every week, and so that it make my hair more manageable. Lengthwise, it's more manageable. It's more easier to comb out. It's more easier to brush. Y'all know, black hair. Stop playing. Y'all know. So yeah, y'all. But done for this video. Share it, like it, subscribe to my channel to stay there me in my life. Oh yeah, and then I just covered it. So like when you don't go under the dryer, if I went under the dryer, I could have just like blow dried my hair and heat it for 15 to 20 minutes, and that would have been enough to process my deep conditioner. But I didn't do that. So what I did do was I just covered it with a bag and sit with an hour and 45 minutes, because I'm like, I have to blow dry it when I finish deep conditioning. So I really don't feel like doing extra steps that I don't need to. I could always just relax. I get to look through the videos that I'm subscribed to. I get to read some magazines, do some homework, clean up the house, and deep condition at the same time. The only thing is the occasional spur of of it coming down your face or something like that. But That's all gravy, because in the end, my greater is gonna be better. My later is gonna be greater, and it always been greater. And y'all, I'm gonna be a mommy again, but so don't do this video, share it, like it, subscribe to my channel to stay there, me in my life. I can't wait, y'all. Like, I'm super excited. I can't wait for my official sonogram, because right now I have my sonogram on a CD, and I got tight because they didn't actually show me my sonogram. Like, she did the sonogram and I had to beg them to put it on a CD. Like, she didn't actually, you know how usually they show you the screen, they be like, look, that's your baby, and they turn around the screen. Like, she didn't even do that. I was like, damn, bitch. Like, okay, it must be your baby, you need to see it more than me. But yeah, y'all, so yeah, so I can't wait for my first sonogram. That's what I'm most excited about, getting my first sonogram. So thumbs up this video, share it, like it, subscribe to my channel. And oh yeah, when I like move my hand across my pelvis, I can feel the baby moving. So like where I move my hand, the baby moves that way. So it feels like little jumping. So I know my little nuggets there. But yeah, thumbs up this video, share it, like it, subscribe to my channel, stay there, me and my life. Be blessed, I'll do the same again. This is Brownie from Manhattan, New York. Oh, before I deep conditioned, I went, yeah, asked me all the steps. I don't want to leave out nothing. So before I deep conditioned, I used the Suave 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, and I shampooed and conditioned my hair, and I combed the shampoo and conditioner through my hair, and then I went through with my hand and made sure I scrubbed my scalp really well to make sure that my hair and my scalp is clean. And then I towel dried really well to make sure that it wasn't like a lot of water left. There was still water left in my hair, but not a lot of water left, as much as possible. And then I applied my deep conditioner for an hour and 45 minutes. And as I sit down with the bag allowing it to sweat, so it's like a hot oil deep conditioner right now, because it's olive oil and mayonnaise. So the mayonnaise melts into oil itself. So it's like a hot oil deep condition treatment that I'm doing right now. But it's not considered a hot oil deep conditioner. It's considered like it's considered a regular deep conditioner because there's mayonnaise in it. Even though it melts into an oil itself. But thumbs up this video, share it, like it, subscribe to my channel, stay there, me and my life. Be blessed. I'll do the same again. This is Brownie from Manhattan, New York. Muah!